Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black C, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Cryptocom, Crocoin. Take a look at Bitcoin because yesterday was quite an eventful day. We were seeing Bitcoin wicking up and down, the market going absolutely crazy, as if it was like an FOMC meeting day, but really, it was just some keynote speakers at a Bitcoin conference. And I want to talk about that, and we're going to go over the price action. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. And first things first, I do want to say, guys, there's only 100 nodes left out of the 10,000 node sale for Lumia. Check out one of those nodes down below the description box. We have a link to it if you want to check out a node that's associated with real world assets. It's pretty cool. But so let's see. Right now we are on day 29 of proposing Crypto.com to market, buyback, and burn Crocoin with a percent of quarterly profits. The Crow fam can and will start this conversation. Let's get this in front of the Cronos team. You know, guys, I want to talk about this a little bit more today than usual. Usually I like to touch on this whenever I'm talking about Crocoin, but I really want to touch on this because we are on day 29. We're going to keep doing this. We're going to keep pushing this. But I see some people commenting saying maybe it'd be better if we got the Cronos ecosystem to build more and build more on it and bring more builders on and not try to strong arm Crypto.com to burn Crocoin. We're not trying to strong arm anybody, guys. The Crow fam wants what's best for Crocoin and for Cronos Labs. And that was my entire intention with this proposal, was to really get more users onto the Cronos ecosystem, to really go out there and try to pull people that are in the Solana ecosystem, that are in the Cardano ecosystem, if there's anybody even there. No hard feelings. And pull people from Ethereum, you know. And to do that, you need to drive speculation. You need to drive speculation from price action. And I know it sounds crazy, but it's just the truth. And I'm not trying to strong it. We as the Crow fam are not trying to strong arm anybody to have a conversation. And I just really want to emphasize that because I see some people that are confused by what this really means. And some people are saying that burning Crocoin is bad. Really, burning tokens usually is never bad. The only time it would be bad is if it was inflating the price to, say, if there was 10 coins and the market cap was $1 billion, then you're probably going to have a six-figure coin, you know, and that will maybe be off-putting to some, even though you can still buy fractions in the cryptocurrency space. Is the beauty of that. But it can kind of mess with people psychologically that are not so well-versed in the cryptocurrency space. But I just wanted to get my thoughts out there about the proposal, the Crocoin burn proposal to Crypto.com and the Cronos team, and really try to educate some people that don't understand what a Crocoin burn is. You know, a lot of people do coin burns, and it helps the entire project, helps the ecosystem. That's how it goes. But so let's take a look over at the entire market right now. So Bitcoin is trading at $67,642. Guys, we came all the way up to above $69,000 yesterday. It was pretty crazy. We had some keynote speakers speaking at the Bitcoin Nashville conference. Crypto Kip and I were there. It was a great time. And we also saw legislation moving forward for Bitcoin. It is a very, very historic moment right now, guys. And sure, politicians will talk all they want, and maybe they will or won't actually implement what they say they're doing. It's usually the tale as old as time. But just having political candidates speak about cryptocurrency, speak about Bitcoin, we're headed in the right direction, guys. We're headed in the right direction for sure. Bitcoin dominance trading at 55.37%. When we exclude stablecoins, we are above 57% right now, guys. We're trading at a 57.37%. Absolutely insane. Probably going to make our way above 60% in my mind, in my opinion. I think that that's an appropriate level to be looking at. If we see this breakout to the upside higher than the local high, and honestly the all-time high, we'll call it that, at $72,000, then I expect dominance to even stretch above 60%. So we're going to have to keep a very close eye on that if we get that impulse wave to the upside. And we're going to take a look at the Bitcoin chart here shortly, but I do want to take a look at Crocoin because Crocoin right now is consolidating a little bit. We did make a new low yesterday on Crocoin versus Bitcoin, but that is to be expected when you see Bitcoin absorbing all that liquidity, gaining dominance. It's to be expected. But right now, we are just trading sideways as Crowcoin, the stablecoin, does, just waiting for our big move to the end of the bull market, guys. That's in my opinion. Been talking about that for a while now. I really do believe that Crowcoin will have its day here towards the end of the bull market. You just need to be patient. And I know that we sound like a broken record on the Crypto Report saying, we got to be patient, we got to be patient. When is it going to happen? You got to be patient, guys. It's just, that's investing. There's lots of sayings and cliches that people say. Like, I believe Warren Buffett has something along the lines of, all trading is impatient people giving money to patient people. And there is some validity to that statement. So Bitcoin right now, we are looking at the daily, and we have a little bit of a green dot. I said yesterday, the daily didn't look, it wasn't, oh my gosh, we're so bullish, but it's holding up well. It's holding up well. I'm not looking for any spilling over just yet. I see money flow on the daily starting to curl up, which is very good. That's this little red wave right here. As it gets smaller, that means that less and less money is getting pulled out of the market. And when it flips green, that means that money's flowing in, and you need the money flowing in to see the cryptocurrency space grow. So let's go to the weekly. We're looking at the monthly. We can go to the monthly too. Monthly's fine. We are looking at great green money flow, but really the weekly is the important time frame to be looking at right now, in my opinion. We see the green dot that we talked about yesterday on this trigger wave, which is a buy signal. We see money flow increasing just ever so slightly, but it's nothing to scoff at when you see money flow increasing. And we're starting to see this little bit of a flip, and we're looking and getting prepared for a move here with a momentum wave coming up like that. And when that happens, well, there's usually fireworks, and we're probably going to be heading to new all-time highs. I measured this out yesterday, and we could do it again for fun. Last time we had a green dot on a trigger wave here. This is not really, I wouldn't really call this a trigger wave, but it's still a buy signal. And if we were to map this out and measure this to the top, let's measure it to the wick before we had a little bit of selling off. Guys, that's an 88% move to the upside. So if we see something like that from where we are at right now, we can measure that. 88%, let's do it from the top just for fun. We're talking about basically $130,000 Bitcoin, which is not anything, it's not crazy. That's not crazy. There is a possibility of that. I mean, the other day we saw Michael Saylor at Bitcoin Nashville talk about his bull case for 2045 was a $49 million Bitcoin price, okay? So Cryptocom and I made a video about that, and it was pretty fun, and it was a silly video. But 120, 130, 150,000 this cycle is not impossible at all. I think those are fair targets. I really do. But guys, if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and also please go follow me at Instagram at 333blackc. If I can reach 500 followers by Sunday, a week from today, I will give away $1,000 worth of crypto to one of you guys. So go follow me there and check out those fantastic links down below. We have like I said, there's only 100 nodes left. Last time I checked for the Lumia hypernodes. They're great nodes. Cryptocom and I got 10 of them. I'm really excited about it to make some passive income. There's also a $5,000 sign bonus to Blowfin and $4,100 sign bonus to Femex. Take advantage of that during this bull market, guys. But that's all I got for you. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one, guys. Have a great weekend. Bye.